But let's get back to it. Now we have 4 plus 9y minus 3 is greater than or equal to 3 times the quantity of 3y plus 2. So let's do a couple things on this left-hand side. Let's go ahead and combine like terms. So I have 4 minus 3, so that's limited to 1. So I have 9y minus 1 is greater than or equal to 3 times 3 would be 9y. 3 times 2 would be 6. And at this point, we can keep going, but maybe let's stop for a second. Just think. Is there any number in the world you can think of that you can multiply by 9 and then take a 1 away from it, and that'd be greater than that same number being multiplied by 9 and adding 6 to it? No, there's no way. There's no way you can add 9 and take away 1, and that'd be greater than multiplied by 9 and adding 6. So we have to, this would be a no solution. If we want to take it a step further, we can subtract 9y, our 9y's cancel out, and I'm left with negative 1 is greater than or equal to a positive 6. Is negative 1 greater than or equal to positive 6? No, so that's a no solution. And that's where if we want to graph it, we just put 0 with a circle, leave it hollow, that means it's not part of the solution set, and so that there's nothing on that number line that is part of this solution. So we have an all real number up here and a no solution down there. Let's try one more oddball. Now we have 3/4 times the quantity of 8n minus 4 is less than or equal to negative 3 times 1 minus 2n. So let's distribute both of these to begin with. 3/4 of 8n would be 6n. 3/4 of a negative 4 would be a negative 1. So I'm left with 6n minus 1 is less than or equal to, well, negative 3 times 1 would be negative 3. And negative 3 times a negative 2n would be a positive 6n. So let's get all the variables on one side. I'm going to subtract 6n. I'm going to subtract 6n. My 6n's cancel out. I'm left with negative 1 is less than or equal to negative 3. Well, is negative 1 less than negative 3? No, it's not. It's greater than. So since this is a false statement, since this is not true, it would be no solutions. Let's try the next one. 2 times 4 would be 8c. 2 times a negative 7 would be minus 14. Is greater than or equal to 8 times c would be 8c. And 8 times negative 3 would be a negative 24. Let's get rid of our variables. So minus 8c, cancel out. I'm left with negative 14 is greater than or equal to negative 24. Is negative 14 greater than or equal to negative 24? Yeah, it's bigger. That's a true statement, so that would be an all real number solution. Every number in the world makes that correct. So I'm going to put 0 there. That would be the end of C period, guys. And this would go both ways, that way and that way. So that's how you would graph that one. So there are 6 examples of some oddballs. Make sure you watch over those. If you have any questions, please email me, let me know. We'll call that video.